Hello and welcome back, my Tipdad family. I'm glad you're here for another episode. I hope that you enjoy it and I hope that it's helpful. So sit back, relax, and here we go. Hello, Tipdad here with another tip for you. This is tip number 5, and this one has to do with baking soda. So if you ever had a shortage on cleaner for any particular reason or anything like that, baking soda is actually one of those things that is a super saver in money and time. So you don't have to always run out to the store to get a cleaner. This particular cleaner, our Arm & Hammer baking soda, can be used as a cleaner, and also hopefully everybody has Arm & Hammer baking soda in their fridge that they're using to keep their fridge fresh and ready to go. So one of the things with Arm & Hammer baking soda you want to do is make sure that you're writing your writing your date on there, so you know when to change it every 30 days. So after you open it, it actually this one actually expires in 2025, but we use a couple of these in our fridge. So whenever you open it, all you have to do is sprinkle a little bit of it in a bowl. Put some water in there, mix it together, and you can hear my little one in the background. And you can actually use that for a cleaner. All you gotta do is use some of that on whatever area you're trying to clean, a carpet, or a stain or something like that. And once you're done using it, as a cleaner, then go ahead and vacuum it back up after it dries. That'll get everything out of there. That would sit there, like the portions of the stain or whatever you're trying to clean. And also if you're using it on a carpet, if you're using it on a hard surface, that's different. But yeah, Arm & Hammer baking soda isn't just for the fridge, it's also used as a cleaner. And there's a million other things you can use it for, but that is the Tipdad number 5. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.